Hi friends, welcome to Blended Hearts Homestead. My name is Shannon and this is Levi. And tonight we're going to share with you a really simple recipe to put together on a weeknight when you just don't have time to really prep that big meal. If you've been watching our channel, you know how I like those easy recipes that don't take much time. So Levi, what do you say? Shall we show them how to make it?
Show me how to make it.
All right, let's do it. For this recipe, you need 1 pound of hamburger, a brown gravy mix packet, a can of cream of mushroom soup, a can of French tile green beans, or you can use cut green beans if you want to, 1 bag of tater tots or potato puffs, and some mild cheddar shredded cheese. For this recipe, you will need a spatula or a meat chopper, a frying pan, a spoon, a baking dish, and some cooking spray. So the first thing we need to do is brown our hamburger in the frying pan over the stovetop.
Over the stovetop.
Yeah, I'm gonna put some bacon grease in here to help with that. We're going to preheat the frying pan on low to start with. Just gotta melt down the bacon grease.
Why did I do that for?
Just melt it down. All right, now we're gonna add our hamburger. I'm gonna turn the temperature up on this to medium-high heat. Now while our meat is cooking, we are going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. When the meat has finished cooking, you're going to drain out the grease.
Drain out the grease.
All right, the next thing we're going to add is our brown gravy mix packet to our hamburger, along with 1/2 cup of water. Turn our stovetop back on to medium-high heat. All right, now we're going to turn off our heat and put this mixture into our baking dish. First thing we are going to do is grease our baking dish with our cooking spray. Then we are going to take our meat mixture and put it on the bottom of the baking dish. Next, we are going to take our cream of mushroom soup and pour it over the top of the meat mixture. And spread it out. Then we are going to take our green beans and pour that on top of the mushroom soup.
Like Levi showed us.
That's right, like Levi showed us. Okay, and we gotta spread it out. And then Levi is going to put some shredded cheddar cheese on top of our green beans.
Where does cheddar cheese go?
And the shredded cheddar cheese goes on top. You ready to help me put some on there?
Yes.
Okay.
We can use some lunch.
Yeah, sprinkle it on the top. Put a whole bunches on there. Cover it up.
That's a little bit more over
you go. You think that's good? And then we are going to take our tater tots or potato puffs and put a layer of them all over the mixture.
Is those potato puffs?
Potato puffs.
Potato puffs?
Yeah, so we're going to take them and we're just going to line them up.
How do you line it up?
Yeah, right, just like that. Just line them up. We're going to make rows of tater tots. Yep, there you go, buddy. All right, and then we're gonna bake our dish in the oven preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Okay. There you have it, friends. A really easy meal for dinner and very delicious. Really, Levi? If you like this, I have an excellent bread dough recipe you can check out right here that'll go perfectly with this meal. And if you do get a chance to make it, please leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up sign below, subscribe and share, and have a wonderful day. God bless you.